If you're a coach, consultant, or entrepreneur struggling to use the law of attraction to manifest more money, you are in the right place. Because I'm going to share with you the true way to manifest more money that almost nobody in the law of attraction space is sharing with you right now.
I can create an idea in my mind of myself having anything I want.
I want to share a story with you. The story of how I hired a law of attraction coach, my first ever coach, and the unexpected secret he shared with me in our first coaching session together that changed everything for me, changed the way that I did business forever. Hi, my name is Bogdan and I'm on a mission to help everyone on earth create happiness and wealth for themselves and their family by understanding their self-worth. I'm actually super passionate about this subject because growing up, my parents really struggled financially. And seeing my parents struggle, I actually decided that I was going to master this money game for myself and my family. And today, I feel truly blessed to be able to help entrepreneurs make a lot more money while living happy and fulfilled lives. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably tried meditation, visualization, even sleep programming, yet your bank account is still the same. And this is actually a very common challenge for most coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs who are passionate about the law of attraction and who know that what you think is what you manifest. But that is only half of the equation. And I know, you've heard it many times. It's not enough to meditate, visualize, you also need to take action. But it feels like nobody's telling you what kind of action you should take. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you in this video. There is one missing element that if you choose to master, it will completely transform your ability to generate money, and it will also make you a happier person. I remember it like it was yesterday. I had borrowed money from my family to work with this law of attraction coach, and I was so eager for our first session. Hey coach, really excited to learn how I can manifest more money. Great. So I'm going to show you some powerful meditations that will reprogram your mind to make money. But first, you need to learn how to sell. What? I have to sell? Yes. And get lots and lots of no's. It was at that specific moment when I asked myself if I made a grave mistake. This law of attraction coach was telling me that I need to learn how to sell and get rejected many times in order to manifest money. I hired him hoping that I didn't need to do all of that. Deep down, I was just hoping I could meditate and money would just fall out of the sky. Money. Reality hit me hard. But honestly, the reason why I was afraid to sell was because I really didn't understand it. Much later, I understood that if you know what to do, selling actually becomes fun and exciting. In other words, you really start to look forward to it with the right mindset and the right tools. Now, in all honesty, the selling system that I got from my first coach wasn't anything special. In fact, you could even call it average and very pushy. I did get a few clients, but with immense effort and struggle. It literally felt like a wrestling match every single time I would get on a sales call.
For Riddle, turning him over beautifully, and that's AJ Styles!
It sounds really good, but I need to think about it. John, you told me that if you don't fix your confidence, you're gonna be a loser for the rest of your life. Do you want to be a loser, John? Do you? But the coaching was actually quite valuable in the long term because it made me understand that in order to get results, you need to work internally, but also externally. After going through several coaching programs, some good, some average, and some quite bad, my relationship with sales has completely changed. And I'd love to share this system with you so that you can start making a lot more sales with a lot more ease and simplicity. And the sales system has two main big components. The one is the mindset, being sold on your value and showing up in the call with confidence, with purpose, and with power. And the second is the actual sales script, where you get prospects to handle their own objections so that you never have to wrestle a yes out of your prospect and you never have to hear the "I need to think about it. It's just not the right time for me. I'll just get back to you when I need you. Don't call me, I'll call you." Now, these are two broad areas and they're very different for each individual, especially the mindset aspect. So if you're truly ready to make a lot more sales with ease and simplicity, All you need to do is go down to the description, there's a booking link, and book your free money energy session where you will uncover how you can boost your profits without necessarily having to work harder. And together, we will look at where you are and where you want to be and what needs to shift in your mindset. We will uncover subconscious limiting beliefs around making money that are standing in the way of you leveling up your financial capabilities. And I will also walk you through my sales script step by step so that you can model the sales script in your next sales call and never get an I need to think about it ever again. Go ahead, tap the link in the description. Book your day and your time. Spots are limited, so if the link still works, it means you can still book a session with me. Don't miss out. And after you do that, check out this powerful video on how you can let go of the fear of being judged, let go of the fear of being rejected, so that you can make a lot more money with more ease and simplicity. This is what I had to learn, and this is what my clients had to learn to make selling easy, exciting, and fun. Check it out, let me know your thoughts, and I will see you soon.